Hello everyone. So how do we snooze an email on your laptop? So let's do it. So open your emails and you have to click on the snooze icon, and you just keep the arrow on one email and go to the end area, unsubscribe, delete, mark as read, and snooze. Click on that and pick date and time. Here are options for snooze till tomorrow or next week. But here we are picking up a time and date. Till then, that email will be snoozed. Means this email will be alarm to you at the time you have snoozed it. Right? So once you click on it, conversation snoozed. It is confirming on the left lower corner. Among the different categories of email, there is an option of snooze email. You tap there and see the email you snoozed is in that category now. So it is till 18th May. This is how we do it. See you in the next video. Ta-da!